The first aspect of your salon business or barbershop or your suite needs to be customer service. Without customer service, hands down, you will not be able to grow your business because word of mouth will not take place, at least in a positive way. So what is customer service? People, I think, have lost touch of what customer service is. And I think as stylists, there has been a little bit of ego in our industry now of boundaries and policies and we're still here to serve the customer. We're still service industry. When you bring your attention back to servicing the customer and customer service in general, you're going to have a lot of appreciation and a lot more referrals and just a lot more gratitude from your clients for you going above and beyond. And how do you separate yourself from the competition if honestly a haircut's a haircut, blonde is blonde? It's your customer service. It's what you're bringing to the table. And customer service is greeting your clients when they first walk into the salon or to your suite. It's having water, maybe wine, maybe refreshments for them. There's a lot of things you could do to make the customer experience better. So customer service goes hand in hand with customer experience. But how do you treat your clients, right? How do you answer the phone? How do you deal with people who are running late? How do you deal with issues with clients who may not be happy with a stylist that you pair them with in your salon? So customer service, I want you to think about outside the salon experience, right? I want you to think about when you go to dinner, when you go to eat at a restaurant, what do you notice about the host? When you call to make a reservation, do they ask for your birthday? Is there a special occasion? I remember I made a reservation at a restaurant and there was no special occasion, but she asked me my birthday, my wife's birthday, how far is that? The reason for going out tonight. And she asked me a lot of cool questions to make my experience there much better. And I had nothing going on, but the table next to me did. And they had a birthday. So they made sure they had a birthday cake for them. They made sure they had made that experience so much better. And that's customer service. And you guys all should have a booking system, right? You should have a booking software. When you have a client call to make that appointment, there's always these questions you're going to have. And obviously it's their name, their phone number, their email. And then you're going to have their birthday in there. Then you're going to have notes. And one of the things you could do for customer service to go really above and beyond, ask them how they take their coffee. Ask them if they like coffee or tea. Ask them questions. When's your birthday? And so you have to slow down the customer intake process. I know it's rough. I know the front desk can get crazy. But now with online booking and now with a lot of the technology coming out, it makes it a lot easier to bring on clients and it makes that process a little less painful. Right? Rather than just writing on a pen and paper, the software is a little faster now. Your clients' intakes can be done by them with an app, or you can send them a link. But it's important you capture their birthday. This will help you serve your client better. It will help you email them with valuable stuff like, hey, happy birthday, here's a free blowout or a free product. And when you ask for how their coffee is, when they come into the salon, you could be like, hey, Barbara, you still take it 2 sugars, 1 cream? Little things like that in the customer service area is what will separate you from everybody else. Barbara, your birthday's the 25th. That's tomorrow. Happy birthday. I just looked in the computer. So customer service is the first most important thing you need to control in your business. And as owners, you need to have a brand and a culture, obviously, in your salon. And that customer service, that needs to be a standard that's set in your salon. Every single team member needs to have a level of customer service if you want to thrive and grow your salon.